Most people walk in thinking they want laminate, but actually leave with LVP, but not always, and that's when knowing the difference matters. Laminate versus LVP. That's probably the #1 question I get here at my flooring store in Floor Concepts. So let me give you the real pros and cons so you don't make the wrong decision. Let's start with laminate because it's better than what most people think. First, it's thicker and more impact resistant than LVPs. Because the core is thicker and you have a thicker locking mechanism, it actually can withstand impacts and things being dropped on the floor more than an LVP would. The core is denser, so when dropping things, laminate actually holds up really well. Second, today most laminates are waterproof and can withstand moisture just as well as an LVP. The third thing is laminates can actually withstand subfloor imperfections a little better than an LVP would. Because laminates have a thicker core, they're not as flexible as an LVP, and so they can actually withstand the humps and the valleys that are created as a house settles over time. The fourth thing is laminates can actually be more scratch resistant than most LVPs. So if you have big dogs and a lot of traffic in your house, it can actually resist scratches a lot better than an LVP would. The fifth thing is that both laminates and LVPs are very easy to clean. You don't need anything abrasive to clean the floors with, nothing complicated. You can get a specific LVP or laminate cleaner here, either at Floor Concepts or online, and that will clean your floors very easily. The sixth thing is that the visuals can be extremely realistic with laminates. Even though a lot of LVPs now, especially the newer ones with wood polymer cores, can actually give you a similar look, the laminates have always been able to replicate a more realistic visual to real hardwoods than LVPs have. Now here's where laminates fall short. The installation for laminate can actually take longer than LVP. Laminates, you need a special tool or chop saw to actually cut, whereas with LVP, you can usually score it with a razor knife and snap it. Laminates can actually be more slippery than an LVP. Sometimes pets don't like it because they can't grip their paws or their claws into the laminate as easily as they can in LVP. The third thing with laminates is that you actually need an additional pad underneath the laminate, whereas most LVPs come with an attached pad already. This can be an additional cost to a laminate product, but it actually is essential because of removing that clanking sound that laminates create if you don't have that. LVP, on the other hand, is a little simpler. It's still 100% waterproof. The visuals do look really great. It's softer and quieter on your feet. It's a faster and easier install, and it's actually perfect for rooms like basements, kitchens, and bathrooms where you do have the potential for moisture to come in for longer periods of time. Let me clear something up because most people get this wrong. Neither laminates nor LVPs will actually increase the value of your house. Hardwood floors are still the gold standard for most homes in this area, especially in Wilmington, Delaware, that will actually increase the value of your home. When people are looking to buy a house and you can say that you have hardwood floors inside them, that actually does appeal to people more than a luxury vinyl or a laminate would. And this is something we're transparent about with our customers. So here's the bottom line. If you want to see the differences yourself, come visit us here at Floor Concepts on Kirkwood Highway, or go to our website at www.floorconcepts.com. We also have a calculator on there that can help you figure out what this project would cost in your home. Hit subscribe for more honest floor tips, and I'll see you guys in the next video.